Meaning of dative.
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 Dative. In grammar, the term dative refers to a case used in some languages to indicate the indirect object of a verb or a noun that is used to show to whom or for whom an action is done. For example, in the sentence "I gave her a book," her is in the dative case because it indicates the recipient of the action. In Germanic and Romance languages, the dative case is often marked by prepositions. The use of the dative case helps to clarify the relationships between different elements in a sentence and is essential for accurate communication in many languages.